feeling today. If your energy level is really high, type 5 and you can slowly go down depending on your energy level. आपको बहुत energy level high है तो 5 टाइप करिए और धीरे धीरे जितना है उसके हिसाब से कम भी कर सकते हैं. Alright, so today's theme is relaxation rejuvenation. As you can see, I am with a pillow or a bolster. So quickly get 2 or 3 big pillows. 2-3 बड़ा तकिया लेके रखिए. Alright, योग मने relaxation. Yoga means being totally relaxed. Alright, so in today's session, using the help of bolster, the pillows, we will get into poses and relax in the pose for long duration. From this, lot of healing happens. हम तकिया use करके आराम से आसन में विश्राम करेंगे. Alright, now what will happen? It will heal or it will stimulate your vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is a cranial nerve that is responsible for many activities in the body and helping the body relax. That will get stimulated. हाँ, वेगस नर्व को स्टिमुलेट करेगा, इससे विश्राम हम शरीर को मिलेगी. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स सेटल डाउन. आराम से बैठ जाएं और आंखें बंद करिए. लेट्स क्लोज अवर आईज. टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ इन. लंबी गहरी श्वास अंदर और बाहर. We'll chant Om 3 times. 3 बार ओमकार उच्चारण करेंगे. श्वास अंदर. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोलिए. Now we'll do a very interesting pranayam called the box breathing. It's a very ancient technique where we call it the Kumbhak breathing, where we stop the breath and breathe. How to do this? Imagine there is a box in front of you, square shape. For the same number of counts you inhale and the same number of counts you hold the breath, and for the same number of counts fully you exhale and again hold the breath. Alright, so this is how we do it. कैसे करना है? एक पर्टिकुलर काउंट्स के लिए हमको श्वास को अंदर करते रहना पड़ेगा और श्वास को उसी काउंट के लिए रुकेंगे और उसी काउंट के लिए श्वास को बाहर करेंगे और वापस उसी काउंट के लिए रुकेंगे. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. अपना कैपेसिटी के साथ करिए. डू इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लंग कैपेसिटी. लेट्स क्लोज योर आईज. palms on your knees. Keep a gentle smile on your face. मुस्कान रखिए. Normal breath in and breathe out. श्वास छोड़िए. For box breathing, in normal breath, breathe in. साधारण श्वास, सांस अंदर. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. रुकिए. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. बाहर. 2, 3, 4, 5. रुकिए. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. अंदर. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. रुकिए. 2, 3, 4, 5. बाहर. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. रुकिए. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. रुकिए. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. बाहर. 2, 3, 4, 5. रुकिए. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. अंदर. 2, 3, 4, 5. रुकिए. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. रुकिए. 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Vishram. Palms on your knees. Feel a sense of expansion in the body. शरीर में हल्कापन महसूस करिए. And slowly and gently you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Now, what are the benefits? This helps to improve your lung capacity. अपना कैपेसिटी को बढ़ेगा ये. पहले कम से शुरू कर सकते हैं, फिर बड़ा करते जा सकते हैं. You can start a little bit small or small rounds and then make it bigger. All right, let's stand up. खड़े हो जाएं. And let's begin with the warm-ups. हल्का सा वॉक करना शुरू करिए. Start walking all around. You can swing your arms like how we used to do march past in school. हम स्कूल में करते थे. Keep swinging. See, the 14 days yoga challenge is purely to bring a habit of doing yoga, to bring the discipline of doing yoga. रोज योग करने के एक आदत रखने के लिए ये 14 दिन का free challenge है. And come back to the center. Now what we'll do, stretch the hands up and lift your heels up and bend down, take your hands to the back. Let's begin. श्वास अंदर, हाथ ऊपर, एड़ी को ऊपर उठाएं और नीचे आ जाएं, श्वास छोड़िए. Let's do this 10 times. हल्का करिए अपना शरीर की साफ, according to your body. And relax. Now let's take our hands up from the sides and stretch our leg to the side one by one. Right leg out, then left leg out. हाथ को ऊपर नीचे करिए और पैर को साइड में लेके जाएं. मुस्कान रखिए, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. करते करते जितना आप मुस्कान रखते हैं उतना विश्राम मिलेगा. Your body can relax that much. How much ever you smile. Keep moving. Relax. Now bring your hands to the front and move the hands front and back. And the same time, let's keep walking. हाथ को आगे पीछे करिए, वॉक करते रहिए. दस बार. Keep breathing. I'll keep the count for you. You don't have to worry. Relax. Now legs spread out, hands behind your head, and gently bend to the side, left and right. Side में मोड़िए. Exhale. And come back to the center. Now interlock your fingers, हथेली को जोड़िए, and let's first twist to the right side, only to the right side. दाहिने और twist करते रहिए. Exhale. As you twist, you can breathe out. If you're feeling a little giddy, you can keep your head to the front. अगर हल्का सा चक्कर आ रहा है तो सिर को आगे की तरफ रखिए. Now to the left side. Hear the tuck tuck sound from your spine. And come back to the center. Now hold the hips and move the hip to the right and left. कमर को दाएं बाएं घुमाएं. Right, left, right, left. Now front, back, front, back. Let's continue. Front and back, front and back. Now keep your back straight, don't curve your back. Now left, right. And big circles. Gol gol gumaye. Enjoy the movement. That is very important. We're doing all these things so that we can make the body healthy and the mind happy. So keep a smile. And reverse. Relax. Now let's sit down. Now we'll do some joint movements. Breathe in, look up. श्वास अंदर ऊपर देखिए. Breathe out, look down. श्वास बाहर नीचे. In, up. Out, down. In, up. Out, down. Continue. धीरे धीरे करिए. Do it slowly. Along with the breath. श्वास के साथ. Now look to the front and right and left. दाएं, बाएं. And to the center. Now let's slowly start rotating your head in clockwise direction. सिर को गोल गोल घुमाएं. Right to left. Reverse. Come back to the center. Let go. Now interlock your hands to the front. Now inhale. Take your hands up and back. Exhale. Bring them down. And begin. हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएं और नीचे लेके आएं. श्वास के साथ. Now bring your hands up and gently move your elbows to the left and right. हाथ को दाएं बाएं लेके जाएं. And let go. Now arm rotation. And let's start rotating the arm. गोल गोल घुमाएं हाथ को. Along with the breath. That's very very important. हाथ को कान के पास लेके आए. Bring the hands close to the ears. And reverse. विपरीत दिशा. And let go. Relax. Now stretch your legs to the front. Hands behind you. Now breathe in, pull your feet in. पाँव को अंदर खींचिए. Breathe out, stretch your feet outwards. पाँव को बाहर खींचिए. Continue. In, out. In, out. In, out. चालू रखिए. मन को अपना पैरों पर रखिए. Keep your mind on your feet wherever the movement is happening. That is very important. Don't let your mind go here and there. It has to be there with the body. Now stretch your right foot out, pull your left foot in, and stretch your left foot out, pull your right foot in. एक पाँव को आगे दबाएं, दूसरों को पीछे खींचिए और चेंज करिए. अभी गोल गोल घुमाएं. Let's rotate the feet in circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. And tap your toes, feet, tap your knees, tap करिए. And stretch your left leg out, keep your right knee bent and gently move your right knee up and down. दाएं घुटनों को मोड़िए, ऊपर नीचे करिए. Now change the leg. पैर को चेंज करिए. Once again, stretch your left leg out. Now turn your body to the left and exhale, push forward towards your left foot. सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते दाहिने और आगे पीछे करिए शरीर को. बाइने और लेफ्ट साइड. And to the other side. दूसरा तरफ. And come back to the center. वापस सेंटर में आ जाएं. फिर दोनों पाँव को साथ साथ छोड़िए और घुटनों को ऊपर नीचे करिए. Move your knees up and down. Back straight. That's very important. And relax. Now with your hands, what we'll do, we'll move the hands up and down. ऊपर नीचे करिए. Now spread the fingers wider and move the palms up and down. उंगलियों को दूर दूर रख के ऊपर नीचे करिए. अभी गोल गोल घुमाएं. Rotate your hands, your fists, and reverse. And shake your hands. Now let's hook our fingers. हथेली को जोड़िए और दूर दूर खींचिए. Pull them away. Keep pulling, keep pulling. Right hand on top, left hand down. Now change. Left hand on top, right hand down. Pull, pull, pull. दूर दूर खींचिए. बॉडी को सीधा रखिए. Let go. Now let's push the palms. Right hand on top, left hand down. Now push the palms. हथेली को दबाएं और विश्राम. हाथ को चेंज करिए और पुश करिए. And let go. Relax. Now let's begin with the asanas. Asanas से शुरू करते हैं. Before that, tomorrow's session is going to be very interesting. Again, we are going to be working on strengthening the body. कल का सेशन में हम शरीर को मजबूत करेंगे. Alright, so we'll be working on strengthening the upper body, middle body, lower body. And interesting thing is we'll be doing something called as the animal asanas. So don't miss the session. कल animal asanas भी करेंगे, miss मत करिए. Now, let's gently take our pillows. Keep them with you. Whenever you need, you can use one or two. Alright. Also, you might need a couple of blocks. If you don't have blocks, it's okay. Alright. Keep other pillows. अगर आपके पास block नहीं है, pillow रखिए, कोई बात नहीं. Now, keep the pillow to the front. Put your legs over it. Now, why we are using pillow? Because with the support of the pillow, we will relax in the pose for longer time. So today's focus is not about stretching the body, but getting the body into different poses and relaxing. Alright, आज का सेशन में हम यही करने वाले हैं. अलग अलग आसन में तकिया के साथ जाएंगे और विश्राम करेंगे और पैरों को पकड़िए. Hold the feet. Now exhale, bend forward and relax your head down. पश्चिमोत्तानासन. आगे झुकिए और विश्राम करिए. Let your mind relax, let your body relax. If you're feeling any pressure in the head, then keep your head up. You can use 1, 2 or even 3 pillows to make yourself comfortable. Stay here, keep breathing. Let go totally. मन को शांत होने दीजिए. You can stay here for long duration. लंबा समय तक आप यहाँ रुक सकते हैं. Breathe in, stretch your hands to the front and come up. श्वास लेते लेते दोनों हाथ को ऊपर करिए और नीचे and slowly come down. Now we'll take 2 pillows. अभी हम 2 पिलो लेके रखेंगे और चाहिए तो 2 ब्लॉक भी साथ साथ रख सकते हैं. अभी क्या करेंगे, हम उपविष्ट कोणासन करेंगे. घुटनों के नीचे रखिए पिलो. कीप द पिलो अंडर द नी एंड स्प्रेड योर लेग्स वाइडर. दूर दूर. Alright, if you want, you can also put a small cushion under your buttocks. Comfortable, right? Legs are wider. Now notice that because you are using the pillow, you are able to get into the pose and stay longer. Alright, now hold your toes and exhale. Stay here. श्वास छोड़िए, यहाँ रुकिए. हमारा लक्ष्य है आज विश्राम करने का अलग अलग आसन में. Our goal is to relax in each and every pose. The longer you relax, the deeper is the healing. Now, if you want, you can also put a block and put your head on the block. Or this could even be a pillow. कुछ डब्बा के ऊपर आप सिर को रख सकते हैं या तकिया के ऊपर रख सकते हैं. उपविष्ट कोणासन. योग मने विश्राम. Yoga means relaxation. You're relaxing the body, you're relaxing the mind totally. If you're not able to hold the feet, you can hold your ankle or your calf muscles wherever you can reach. जहां तक हाथ पहुंच पा रहे हैं वहां पकड़िए. If you feel any stretch in the body, take your mind there. कहीं आसन पे आपको खिंचावट महसूस होता है, मन को वहां लेके जाएं, उस जगह पे. Inhale, slowly come back. श्वास लेते लेते ऊपर आ जाए. Exhale, relax. And you can keep the block to the side. You can remove one pillow, keep it to the side. Now we will do the Parivrita Janu Shirshasana. Alright. Now keep your pillow to the right side and take your right leg to the right side and keep it under the knees. Alright. दाहिने घुटनों के नीचे रखिए पिल्लो. पैर को दाहिनी तरफ रखिए. Now hold your right foot or your right toe or your ankle heel wherever you reach. Gently bend to the right side. हल्का सा दाहिने और मोड़िए. पाँव को पकड़े. Now the other knees, if it's coming up, what you can do, you can keep a block under the knee. If you don't have a block, keep a small pillow, small cushion. And bend to the right side and stay here. Now open up your chest. This is very important. अपना छाती को ऊपर की तरफ कीजिए और विश्राम. Relax in the pose. Now feel a deep stretch in the left side of the body, contraction on the right side. शरीर का एक साइड में खींचावट, दूसरा साइड पे contraction महसूस करिए. Now those of you who want, जिन लोगों को चाहिए, आप अपना बाएं हाथ को ऊपर करिए. Take your left hand up. Stay here, keep breathing. प्रयत्न शैथिल्य अनंत समापतिभ्य. Letting go of all your efforts and relaxing in every step. सब प्रयत्न छोड़कर एक एक स्टेप में विश्राम लेना है. यही योग है. This is yoga. Keep stretching your left hand up. You can keep the hand down also. If you're feeling any sensation in the hand, keep your hand down. हाथ में कुछ sensation है, नीचे रखिए. और सिर को भी ऊपर रख सकते हैं. Keep your head also up if you feel any stress in the neck. And slowly and gently come back up and just feel the difference between the right side of the body and the left side of the body. हल्का सा दोनों साइड का अंतर महसूस करिए. एक साइड ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच हुआ ऐसा लग रहा है ना. One side you feel more stretch. Take the leg out. The other side. Yoga is all about balance. You do whatever you do on one side, you need to do it on the other side. Bend your right. If you want, you can keep a block. And gently bend to the left side. Hold the foot. बाइने और मोड़िए, पाँव को पकड़िए. Right hand can hold the right hip. Or if you want, you can stretch your right hand. Vishram, relax. Let your body settle down into the asana. And you'll notice your mind is also settling down. मन भी साथ साथ विश्राम कर रहा है. And slowly come back up. And as you breathe out, relax your right hand down. Now, we're going to be doing a twist. Now, how to do the twist? Keep the pillow a little, keep some good height. And sit with your legs stretched to the front. Now, the simple version is you're simply twisting to the right side and lying down on the pillow. Your face can be to the front or to the back. If you turn the head to the back, you will feel a deeper stretch. Alright? पैर आगे रखिए और साइड में अपना कुशन के ऊपर लेट जाएं और पीछे मोड़ के देख सकते हैं. Simple version. If you want little bit more stretch, bend the knees, both the knees to the sides, left side. Then turn your body to the right side and place your chest on the pillow or the bolster and look to the back. And lie down here. दोनों घुटनों को मोड़ के राइट साइड टर्न करके पिलो के ऊपर रेस्ट करिए. पीछे मोड़ के देखिए. You will feel a nice twist in your sacrum, your lower back, mid back. Relax here. Every twist is massaging all the organs inside. ट्विस्ट करते हैं, सारा शरीर के लिए मसाज मिल जाते हैं. Keep breathing. And slowly and gently you may come up. Now to the other side. Sit straight and then bend your knees to the right side. Now twist your body to the left and lie down on the cushion. Look to the back. दूसरा तरफ आराम से लेट जाएं. Lie down comfortably. Just like a twist, Vakrasana. Keep breathing in and out. Just remember, because of the pillow, you're able to stay in the pose for really long time without straining the body. तकिया की वजह से आप लंबा समय तक आसन में रह पा रहे हैं. धीरे धीरे ऊपर आ जाएं. Slowly come back up. Now let's keep the bolster to the front and lie down on our stomach. पेट की पर लेट जाएं. And keep the bolster under the chest and come on the forearms. Sphinx pose and look up. Keep breathing. श्वास को अंदर बाहर करते रहिए. सरल भुजंगासन तकिया के साथ. Now bend both your knees and stay here. Dhanurasana. If you can, what you can do, you can move a little forward and hold your ankles. थोड़ा आगे जाके अपना एडी को पकड़े. Keep breathing. Feel the strength in the lower back. ध्यान पूरा लोअर बैक पे रखिए. And let go. Vishram. Now you may slowly turn to the right side and put the bolster under the armpit. हाथ के नीचे रखिए bolster को. Bend your right knee, or you can keep your right knee straight. Bend your left knee. Bring your left leg in front of your right foot or right thigh. You can stay like this. Also, what you can do, you can keep another pillow for under the leg. एक और तकिया आप पैर के नीचे रख सकते हैं. आराम से लेट जाएं. Now what we will do, we will keep the right leg on the pillow and left leg comes to the front. Raja Vishramasana, the royal relaxation pose. Stay here, keep breathing. यहाँ रुकिए, विश्राम करिए. लंबी गहरी श्वास अंदर बाहर करते रहिए. Relax with a smile. And let go. Now to the other side. दूसरा तरफ. Feeling good? अच्छा लग रहा है ना? Now keep your left leg on the pillow and right leg in front. तकिया के ऊपर बाएं पैर को रखिए, दाएं पैर को आगे रखिए और विश्राम करिए यहाँ. When you keep doing yoga every day, then your body becomes very healthy and it also becomes a consistent habit. रोज योग करते आएंगे फिर अपना शरीर इतना स्वस्थ हो जाते हैं, मन शांत हो जाते हैं और ये आदत भी बन जाते हैं. And slowly come out and let's sit up. Now you can keep one pillow to the back. Now many of you have been writing to me asking what after 14 days, what after 14 days. We have planned classes for you even after 14 days. We'll talk about that on Sunday. 14 दिन के बाद भी क्या करना है, बहुत लोग मुझे पूछा था. हमने कुछ प्लान किया आपका क्लासेस, वो संडे बात करेंगे उसके बारे में. Now what we will do first is you keep the pillow little to the back and then put the chest on the pillow. Now if any of you have issue with the head, you may avoid doing this. जिनको सिर पे थोड़ा इशू है आप अवॉइड करिए और सिर को नीचे छोड़िए और हाथ को साथ साथ जोड़ के ऊपर कीजिए और विश्राम करिए यहाँ. Stay here. It's like doing the Matsyasana, the fish pose. If you are not comfortable, you can bring the hands down. हाथ को नीचे रख सकते. And slowly roll over to the right side and gently come up. Now pull the pillow little down. थोड़ा नीचे रखिए mid back पे और mid back lower back के बीच में. And then lie down. लेट जाएं आराम से. श्वास को अंदर बाहर करिए. Keep breathing. Are you still smiling? There are few more asanas left. और कुछ आसनास बचा हुआ है. This is very relaxing and healing for the body. अपना शरीर के लिए बहुत बहुत विश्राम देते हैं. Now gently bend your left knee and slowly roll over to your right side and sit up once again. Now what we will do, we'll bring the pillow all the way down. अभी हम अपना बटक्स या लोअर बैक को पिलो के ऊपर रखेंगे. ये अभी सेतु बंदासन जैसा हो जाएगा. ये this will become like setu bandhasan. You can gently put your hand down and the support of the hand lift your hips up and put the pillow under the hips and slowly go down and keep your knees bent. घुटनों को मोड़ के रखिए यहाँ विश्राम करिए, रिलैक्स. Keep breathing in and out. If you want more height, you can put one more pillow also. अगर आपको और हाइट चाहिए, एक और पिलो भी रख सकते हैं. Now hold the pillow. पिलो को पकड़िए and lift your right leg up. दाएं पैर को ऊपर उठाएं. चाहिए घुटनों को हल्का सा मोड़ सकते, कोई बात नहीं. If you want, you can bend the knee a little bit. Keep breathing. And bring your leg down. The other leg, दूसरा पैर. And bring the left leg down. Now gently lift the hips up and put the pillow down. And slowly roll over to your right side and sit up. दाहिने और मोड़ के बैठिए. Now one last relaxation pose. Same lying down on the back. Now keep the pillow long. पिलो को लंबा रखिए. Now keep the pillow touching your lower back. Lower back के पास रखिए. And keep both your feet together in namaste. दोनों पाँव को नमस्ते में रखिए. अगर आपके पास दो और पिलोज हैं, दो घुटनों के नीचे रख सकते हैं. If you have two pillows, you can keep them below the thighs or the knees. Now hold the block and gently lie down. आप अपना बॉल्स्टर को पकड़ के आराम से लेट जाएं और हाथ को साइड में रखिए. Keep your hands to the sides. Now if you don't have two more pillows, it's okay. You can relax your leg. It's just that you'll feel a little bit deep stretch in the hip joint. That's okay. If you have pillows, keep them under the knees. Deep relaxation pose. Like Supta Baddha Konasana, reclined bound angle pose. Take deep breaths in and out. The deeper your breath, the more relaxation you get. जितना गहराई है अपना श्वास, उतना विश्राम मिलता है. Just 3 more days to go for the challenge to complete, but the whole body and mind is in such a beautiful space. सिर्फ 3 दिन बचा है चैलेंज के लिए खत्म होने के लिए, लेकिन मन और शरीर एक सुंदर जगह पे है इस वक्त, सुंदर आयाम पर है. रिलैक्स योर होल बॉडी. पूरा शरीर को विश्राम करिए, मन को विश्राम करिए. रिलैक्स योर माइंड. And जो slowly and gently you may bend your knees, bring your legs up, and gently with the support of your right hand, turn to the right side and sit up. And one last stretch. Keep the pillow to the front. You can sit in Sukhasana if you wish to. And Stretch your hands to the front and bring your head down. आगे झुकिए. अगर सुखासन में बैठना मुश्किल है, if you're not able to sit in cross-legged, you can simply bend the legs down and keep your hand to the front, legs to the sides. Back should be straight. Keep the back straight. And slowly and gently sit straight. Now we'll do the Brahmari Pranayam with the Shanmukhi Mudra. अभी हम Shanmukhi Mudra के साथ Brahmari करेंगे. The 5 fingers, little finger on the chin, टुड्डी के ऊपर, ring finger on the upper lip, मुंह के ऊपर, middle finger on the nose, नाक के ऊपर, index finger on the eyes, आंख के ऊपर, and thumb on the ear lid, कान की ढक्कन. Now we'll take a deep breath in, and as we breathe out, we'll make the sound and gently push the 5 fingers in and out. हल्का सा भ्रमर आवाज करते वक्त 5 उंगलियों को अंदर बाहर दबाएं. शुरू करते हैं. मुस्कान रखिए. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. And relax. Hands on your knees. Open to the sky. हाथ घुटनों के ऊपर आकाश की तरफ खुला है. We'll do a short meditation. छोटा ध्यान करते हैं. Take your mind to the right side of the body. मन का शरीर की दाहिने ओर लेके जाएं. To the empty space to the right side. खाली जगह है, उधर रखिए. Take your mind behind you. मन को पीछे लेके जाएं. To your left. बाएं ओर. to the front, आगे की ओर. Become aware of the empty space all around you. शरीर की चारों ओर खाली जगह है, उसमें ध्यान रखिए. On top, over the head. Become aware of the empty space within you, inside of you. मन को अपने अंदर लेके आए. अंदर भी आकाश है. Inside you also you have space. Become aware of that space. Relax, विश्राम. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और बाहर. और धीरे धीरे बड़ा सा मुस्कान के साथ आंखें खोल सकते हैं. With a big smile, you may open your eyes. Namaste. How are you feeling? What is feeling relaxed? How's your mind feeling? हल्का लग रहा है ना? So just 3 more days to go for the challenge to get over. So come what way, make sure to finish the challenge giving you 100%. Alright, सिर्फ 3 दिन बचा है. ज़रूर इसको पूरा तरीके से फिनिश करिए और उसके बाद भी हम चालू रखेंगे. After that also we will keep continuing the practice. We'll talk about that little later. Now send some hearts. Let us know how today's session was. Hearts भेजिए. कैसे लगा आज का सेशन, उसके बारे में आप लिख के हमको बताएं. Alright, you're all doing very good. आप सब बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. ऐसा कंटिन्यू करते रहिए. हेल्दी रहेंगे, स्वस्थ रहेंगे. Alright, so continue doing this. You'll be very healthy and happy. Alright, see you in the next session. Jai Gurudev.